So here's another question. It's log base 2 of log base 9x all equals -1. And they want me to solve for x. So what we're going to do here, we're going to focus on this. The base is 2. So we know logs is basically 2 raised to that power gives you this. So does that mean? It means log base 9x should give you 2 to the power of -1. And that's log base 9x gives you 1 over 2. 2 to the power of -1, just 1/2. And now, again, 9 raised to the power of 1/2 gives you x. So therefore, x equals 9 raised to the power of 1/2. And raised to the power of 1/2 is the same as the square root of 9, which equals 3. And that's the right answer. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.